another one of the finest examples of 10th standard syllabus based on analytical geometry. It is problem number 12 given on page number 86. It is a star marked example. The question says, prove that any three distinct points of a circle cannot be collinear. अगर एक सर्कल के ऊपर आप तीन अलग अलग पॉइंट्स लेते हो तो वो कभी भी कोलिनियर नहीं हो सकते. We have to prove that. So we prove it by method of contradiction. Okay. So we take a circle with center O and three distinct points A, B, C, which we have written in the first line. And we say that suppose these 3 points A, B, C are collinear. Prove क्या करना है? Collinear नहीं है. हम शुरुआत कैसे कर रहे हैं कि collinear है. So as soon as we say that these 3 points are collinear, we get a line passing through these 3 points A, B, C. We join the center of the circle with all these 3 points. Okay. So we have draw segment OA, OB, OC. OA, OB, OC. अब ये figure existence में नहीं रहेगी. You will have to use this figure because we are assuming that the points are collinear. Okay. Now, then you get this figure, and now I have numbered angles. Angle number 1, angle number 2, and angle number 3. Angle number 1 is an exterior angle of this triangle. So exterior angle is greater than any of its remote interior angle. Therefore, angle 1 will be greater than angle 2. We have written angle 1 is greater than angle 2 by exterior angle property. But OA and OC are the radii of the same circle because points A and C are on the circle. So OA and OC will be the radii of the same circle. Therefore, this triangle OAC, OA और OC दोनों congruent है because these are the radii of the same circle. Therefore, triangle OAC becomes an isosceles triangle, and we know that in the isosceles triangle, base angles are congruent. So angle 2 is congruent to angle 3, or measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 3. So angle 2 can be replaced by angle 3 because they are equal in measure. So equation 1 becomes, or in equation 1 becomes, angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Angle 2 की जगह angle 3 डाल दिया क्योंकि दोनों का measure equal है. Okay. So what are you getting? Angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Let us observe this relation in the given figure. This angle is greater than this angle. But we know that angle inequality leads to side inequality. Okay. So angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Therefore in triangle OAB, OA is greater than OB. जो एंगल बड़ा होता है उसके सामने वाली साइड बड़ी होती है. तो OA is greater than OB. Okay. Here I'll give the reason because angle inequality implies side inequality. This is stated as a theorem that the side opposite to greater angle is greater. Okay. So OA is greater than OB. The same statement is written with a less than sign. That means OB is less than OA. OB is less than OA. But OA is the radius of the circle. So this is the radius. So what can you say? OB is less than radius. So we have written OB is less than radius. Now we have to do the correct interpretation of this statement. OB is less than radius. इसका मतलब क्या? Distance of point B from the center O is less than radius. Therefore point B lies in the interior of the circle, inside the circle. Correct? किसी पॉइंट का सेंटर से डिस्टेंस रेडियस से कम होगा तो वो पॉइंट जो है वो सर्कल के अंदर आ जाता. सो पॉइंट बी लाइज इनसाइड द सर्कल. How is that acceptable when you have already started with the supposition that A, B, C are three distinct points of a circle? So this contradicts whatever conclusion you are getting. That contradicts the data. What is the data? that 3 points are on the same circle. So that contradicts the data. So why are you reaching to the contradiction? Because you started with the wrong supposition. Our supposition is wrong. What was the supposition? That the points A, B, C are collinear. 3 points are collinear. That was the supposition. And it is wrong. So what is right? These 3 points are non-collinear. Okay. So we reached to the conclusion that any 3 distinct points of a circle cannot be collinear. एक लाइन के ऊपर नहीं हो सकते. Again, I'll say that it is the best example of analytical geometry.